Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Bit of a quick one today. Obviously I'm washing my car, as you can see kind of how shiny it is. So far I've used Auto Finesse all-in-one polish. I think it's called Triple. I highly recommend that stuff. You can see the kind of shine you can get on a white car, let alone, let's say if you got a black car, you could probably get a mirror reflection, but if I just show you that, it's pretty damn good. So the whole car's done. I'm just going to give you guys a quick little review of this stuff. So it's Jay's Wax Ceramic Wax. He's just a guy that owns his own distribution place, but he also makes his own wax and stuff. Now ceramic wax is basically that stuff that has, I think it's called SiO2 in it, which basically means your car beads and stops water from kind of sitting on the paintwork. So I'm just going to show you kind of guys how easy it is to use, how easy it is to put on. Don't expect more of a gloss, because this stuff is literally just to protect what you've done prior to that. So obviously we'll give it a little bit, but it won't give it anything like this kind of all-in-one polish stuff. So I'll pop it on, I'll show you guys how to pop it on, how easy it is and how smooth it is, and then we'll wipe it off and I'll just show you kind of the beading effects it has. Okay, so first of all I'll just show you kind of how soft this wax is. So a lot of waxes you get, or I say a lot of waxes used to be quite solid, almost like a hard paste. This is, you won't be able to see how kind of just liquid it is, so I'm just going to use a foam application pad, and just with a few scrapes you can see I've already started to get it out. So I'm just going to do that a few more times just to get it kind of coated on that, so I'm ready to go. I mean, I'm going to start just with this, and then that should be enough to at least do kind of a whole panel, if not more. So anyway, we'll go to the car. I'm literally just going to start kind of on this port panel here, because why not, and just show you kind of, you can't even see it going on. Can you guys see that? So it is going on. Let me see if I can get any, I don't think you'll be able to see that. I'll do this whole panel, just take note of that. I'll do this whole panel and just see if there's any difference. Okay, so I'm going to see if I can catch the light. Oh, let's go around this way. You can see it just kind of just here-ish. So obviously it needs about 5 to 10 minutes to dry. And then once it's dried, it should kind of haze up, and then you can kind of rub it off from there. Quick one, you can actually see it a lot more on the roof if compared to this angle. You can see all these little marks start slowly starting up here. It's quite hard to see on a white car. I just want to show you kind of, so you can kind of just see it there. So see, that's it freshly on. Same with the eyebrows, as you can see it much more in terms of on black paint than you can on white, but the whole car's done now. So that's not done. And that's it, just topped up with the ceramic wax stuff. So once again I'll let that set. We're going to let that dry just a little bit longer, probably another 5 minutes, because it's quite cold out today. You can see it just drying here, and then once it's dry we'll buff it off, and I'll just show you kind of what ceramic wax does compared to let's say just normal polish. But yeah, I don't claim to be a detailer or anyone professionally into this. I'm just reviewing it in terms of a guy that cleans his car once a week, and does this kind of prep on it every once, probably 4 times a year, kind of spring, winter, summer and autumn. So just keep that in mind, because this stuff does last a long time. Once you've got it on, it's really good stuff. You won't have to do it for the next few weeks in terms of keeping up with it. Obviously you still have to wash your car, but when you're washing your car you'll notice how quickly the dirt comes off. Also when it rains and stuff, how quickly the water just runs off of it rather than sticks to your car. It's been about 10 minutes. I'm just going to do a super quick swipe test so you can see some wax just there. If I run my finger through it, it should be completely clear, which it is. Hasn't kind of pulled the wax down or smeared it or at all. It's made just a nice clean line. So that means this panel at least is ready to go in terms of buffing off. So I'm going to buff it all off now, and then I'll show you the results in terms of the hydrophobic nature of the wax itself. I'm going to be super quick with this one just because I've still got the rest of the car to do, but just to show you how hydrophobic this actually is. Like, you can see what I mean. It's crazy. And you can just see like the beading on it, it's insane. It just keeps it completely off your paintwork. Obviously this is only after one application. They recommend 2. I guess it's just so you get every single square inch of your car. But anyway, just a quick one for you guys. I highly recommend Jay's Wax. Have a look on his website. I think it's jayswax.co.uk maybe. Have a little look. I'll see you guys in the next video. Maybe a few more of these kind of videos just showing you good products that I like. I do have some HIDs coming and some other stuff. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.